Hi guys, John Hands Connect here. I'm going to talk to you about using Flood Penetrol on the Sea-Doo switch, especially on the black, but I'm also going to be showing you on the blue up front. This was pretty faded due to the sun and washing, and I did this the other day and it's now completely dry, nice black. And we'll just take a look. I'm going to show you how to apply it wet to an area that's even more faded down here, and we'll apply it to the black. Anyway, this stuff is well known in the car industry. It's fine for plastics and even paint. Okay, hopefully this is showing up on the camera. This piece is pretty well faded and there's a discoloration line between those 2 points. So again, this is Flood Penetrol, and I'm going to use a lint-free cloth, and we're going to simply wet it and apply. And we get a deep black. Yeah, we're still seeing a change in the color of black there. One thing you have to be aware of is you always have to leave them completely open to dry. If you crumpled it up and threw it in a garbage can, it can spontaneously combust. So there's the piece that I've just finished compared to a piece that is unfinished. So clearly darker, a little bit of discoloration between the two, but I think that might have been due to scraping along a dock or something, and so it's probably permanent. I am up at the front gate of the Sea-Doo. I have this discolored point right here. I don't know if you can see it as well as I can. I think this was a pressure point from something poking into it once. We'll see if we can clear that up. I also have some stains. I'm just gonna, I haven't washed this lately and I hate to, actually, you know what, I'm gonna have to wash this because I would hate to cover up a black spot with that Flood Penetrol, which is going to be a coating and it would lock in a black spot. So I'm going to wash that off real quick. Okay, I've washed it mostly off. It's clean, it's dry. I still have that spot that's a little discolored. I don't know if the camera is showing this, but there is blotchiness on this blue. We're going to see if the flood cleans it up. So once again, I shouldn't do that with one hand because if I spill and it's all over my decking, but here we go. There we go. So overall, just wiping that on, it's looking darker blue. You can clearly see where it's been wiped and where it hasn't. Where there was a fade difference between the two colors, I still see the fade difference. But overall, I'm liking the sheen that I'm seeing from this. And it's also clearing away the haze from where I had briefly sanded it a little bit. I think that's beautiful. I hope the camera shows this as well as I can see with my eyes. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oop. And once this dries, it's kind of permanent. There we go. Alright, I was going to show you here on this section, but it's the same as up top. Let me just walk along here because right now that's not done, not done, not done, not done, and then done here, and it's dry here. That's what it looks like after drying. And of course this was done last week. This is not done. Here's a transition last week between where I wiped it on that side and where I did not wipe it here. So clearly you got to watch your little edges. But I love this stuff. I think it's a winner.